Managing the date and time settings on your Samsung smartphone is an important step to ensure your device displays the correct information for calls, messages, apps, alarms, calendars, and internet services. This guide explains the complete process in a simple and beginner-friendly way. To begin, unlock your Samsung device and open the Settings application by swiping up from the bottom of the home screen and tapping the Settings icon. Once inside the Settings menu, scroll down carefully until you find the General Management option. Tap on it to access additional system settings related to language, reset options, keyboard preferences, and date and time configuration. Next, select Date and Time from the menu. By default, most Samsung smartphones use automatic settings provided by your mobile network or internet connection. If you want full control over the date and time, turn off the switches next to automatic date and automatic time zone. Disabling these options allows you to manually customize the settings. To manually change the date, tap Set Date. A calendar window will appear where you can select the correct day, month, and year. After choosing the desired date, tap Done to save your changes. Then tap Set Time to adjust the current hour and minutes. Swipe through the numbers until the correct time appears and press Done again. If you need to update your time zone, tap Select Time Zone and choose your region or city from the available list. This is especially useful while traveling or living in a different country. Correct date and time settings help your Samsung device function accurately and improve synchronization with apps, emails, and online services.